Hi guys, in this video we will discuss the if-else if statement in C#. So let's get started. This is another form of the if statement that tests multiple conditions. So here is the syntax of the if-else if statement. It is also called if-else if ladder. So here we specify the if keyword, and in bracket we specify condition 1, and if that is true then it executes statement 1, and then we specify the keyword else if, and then specify condition 2 in parentheses, and if that condition is true it will execute statement 2. Else if we specify condition 3, and that should execute statement 3. Finally we have an else statement. There you can specify statement 4. So there are a couple of things about the if else if statement. Multiple else if statements can be used after an if statement. The else if will only be executed when the if condition evaluates to false. So either if or one of the else if statements can be executed, but not both. And here is the flowchart of the if else if statement. So we evaluate condition 1. If that is true, then statement 1 or block of statements 1 will be executed, and the control transfers to the end of if else if statement. If condition 1 is false, then it will check for condition 2. If that condition is true, then it will execute statement 2. If condition 2 is false, then it falls to the condition 3 and then checks for if it is true, then it follows that path. Otherwise it just executes statement 4 and the program execution continues. Continuing with the previous problem, we have been calculating the net price. So let's extend that program where we compute the net price of an item. We will read the sale price from the console and apply the following computations. So if the sale price is above 100, then apply a discount of 10%. If the sale price is above 50 but less than or equal to 100, then apply a discount of 5%. Otherwise we apply a discount of 2%. Finally we apply a sales tax of 5% on all the sales. So let's quickly start writing that program. If we define two variables, one is sales tax, which stores the sales tax percentage, which is 5%, and define another double variable to store the net price, display a message on the screen to enter sales price, read the value from the console and save it in the sales price double variable. And this time we will use if else if structure, or we call it if else if ladder. So if sales price is greater than 100, we apply a 10% discount, and if sale price is greater than 50, we apply a 5% discount. Otherwise we apply a discount of 2%. Note that we don't need to specify the condition if sale price is greater than 50 and less than equal to 100, because that condition is already caught here. If it is not greater than 100, it will fall into the next else if condition and it will be captured here. And then we calculate the net price applying the 5% sales tax, and we can display the net price. Finally have a console.read key. So that should complete our program. So if I just execute it, so it is asking for us to enter the sales price. So if I enter say 130.5, so it has calculated the net price of 123. it should have applied 10% discount and then 5% sales tax. And if I rerun this program and if I enter anything, say below 50 or equal to 50, it should apply 2% discount and added the sales tax. So as we did with the previous examples, can we use the ternary operator in this case? The answer is yes. So let me quickly first of all write the statement where we save this variable sale price because it is changed in this statement. So we will use this for our ternary operator. Here is the statement using ternary operator. It looks somewhat overwhelming, but it's not that difficult. So basically this is our condition, first condition, where we say sale price is greater than 100, which is our this condition, and if it is true, so which is question mark, we apply a 10% discount, and in the false case, which is our else if path, we again check if the sale price is greater than 50 and again put a question mark and we apply a 5% discount, and in its false case we apply a 2% discount. This type of ternary operator is called nested ternary operator. So we are nesting one ternary operator within another, and if we just compute the net price again, apply a sales tax of 5% and display it as net price 2 and rename it net price 1. So if I just run this program now just to see if it gives us the same price, so let's try with 155.75. so these are the two values which are same. So let's try a value which is between 50 and 100. So if I apply say 90 this time, so that's the value from both the methods, and if I try with the value which is say 50, it should apply 2% discount and both the values are same. So our ternary operator is working exactly same as our normal computation. So this is how if else if control structure works in C#. If you haven't done already, please do subscribe, share and like the video. Thanks.